Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to uninstall League of Legends on PC. If you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So what you can do is you can actually head over in here on your search bar and search in here for League of Legends. Alternatively, you can actually head over and then just click on uninstall, or you can also head over and then just search in here for add or remove programs. So when you head over and open this one, it will take a lot more steps than heading over to the actual app. So when you just scroll down, you should be able to see in here the League of Legends, which is right here. So in here, you should be able to see the uninstall button. So just click on that, click on uninstall again, and then this will take some time in order to uninstall. And as you can see, the uninstall has been successful. So as you can see, once the game has been uninstalled, just click on done right here. And then another option that you can do is once you have uninstalled League of Legends, you can also uninstall the Riot client. So just scroll down and then in here you can see the Riot client. You can also uninstall that if you want to actually delete everything and every data that you have. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.